Now plastids like chloroplast, these are present only in plant cell. Chloroplast or the plastids, these are absent in animal cell. They are present only in plant cell. And in chloroplast, this is again a double membrane structure. It is double membrane structure like the mitochondria. Mitochondria was also a double membrane structure, students. And inside this chloroplast, stalks of thylakoids are present, and each stalks, they are known as granum. Each stalks, these are known as granum. And inside this thylakoid, the pigment, chlorophyll pigment, these are present. The green color pigment, these are present inside this thylakoid. So students, in this diagram we have only seen chloroplast as one example of plastids, but there are other plastids also like leucoplast, chromoplast also. This we will study in this chapter only, when we will discuss about each organelles one by one. There I will discuss this. Now cytoskeletons like microtubules, microfilaments, these are also present in plant cell like animal cell, and they help in maintaining the shape of the cell. And structures like students centrosomes or the centrioles, these are absent, but centrosomes or the centrioles, this was present in animal cell, but these are absent in case of plant cell. Now apart from these, small microbodies like peroxisomes are also present. I will discuss about peroxisomes in this chapter. So this is all about the plant cell. So students, you need to figure out the differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. And apart from this, we will discuss about each organelles one by one in detail in this chapter. And the function of each organelles that they are performing inside the cell. This is important, students. So all these we will cover in this chapter. So we have studied till now an animal cell and plant cell, and these two are eukaryotic cells, examples of eukaryotic cells.